In this video we're going to show you how to remove the factory sat nav unit from an Audi A3 8P 2004 to 2012. You'll need a set of 4 of that type of radio keys. Insert the radio keys into the 4 small slots in each corner. When you put the radio key in, the notch has got to be facing inwards on all keys. You'll feel them go in and click as they go in. The top one is in line with the others from the bottom and across the top. You can sort of get it in the gap at the top of the screen, or take the screen down if you want to. They're in that position. When they're in that position, push them inwards and pull, and the radio will slide out. To take the keys out, push on the tab on the side, and that'll just take the pressure off the key, and the key will release. Plugs on the back. There's a small tab on the bottom, push that in and wiggle off. Same with the top one. Then on the bottom, the big plug, there's a tab on the bottom, push that in and the arm will slide over and pull out.